Hello, scrappy friends. Welcome to ScrapNFun with Beth. My name is Beth Graves, and I'm a Creative Memories Advisor and Forever Ambassador. Today, we're going to take a sneak peek and look at the products that are launching from Creative Memories on Monday, April 20th. But before we do that, I have a little bit of information to share with you. Did you know that today, and this is April 18th that I'm recording this, is a multitude of special days. So we have Husband Appreciation Day. So make sure you tell your husband you appreciate him. We have International Jugglers Day, National Animal Cracker Day. I like that one. It's also National Piñata Day and World Amateur Radio Day. Well, radio made me think of, the radio. In the car, listening to the tunes. Yes, I'm dating myself. Some of you might be like, radio? We use Spotify, and I don't even know what all the terms are. But anyway, so I have a couple jokes in honor of the radio. Can radio be an addiction? Depends on the frequency. Okay, then this one's just kind of a little pun thing. I think that's what they call it. Anyway, two windmills stood on a hill with a radio. One turned to the other and asked, "What's your favorite music?" The other replied, "I'm just a big metal fan." Okay, we'll get to the sneak peek now. You can see my the website, the landing page for Creative Memories, and we have all things scrap journal. So the scrap journal is the 6.75 by 10 size album. It was first launched as the Happy Album Planner and has kind of gone through a revamp, and we're now calling it the Scrap Journal. Scrap Journal is awesome. There are so many different uses for it, and then we've just added to our system. So this is it. This is the way you can create. You can get started with the Scrap Journal kit. The new one is called the Delight Collection, and it has everything that you need to create this fun size. Watch this video. It's very good. Sheila walks through all the pieces of it and shares some special information. You can see the whole kit here. We've got two album covers. We've got the Blue Agate, and then I think it's the Sage. You've got the Delight album kit, stickers, washi tape, repo tape runner. You also have some embellishments and all new top-loading sleeves for this size. Now here's what's really fun. The scrap journal size fits in your 12 by 12s. So the staples align, and you can put the different pages from this album size into your 12 by 12 if you have a little extra you need to use. So the kit comes with, it wasn't Sage, it was Green Apple. But you can see the pieces of the kits are all the same with the exception of which color album you pick. You can also buy everything individually. And then where did this come from? Well, it's a collaboration with an influencer in the lifestyle realm, Kate Ahrens, and she has a company called Wit and Delight, and she's actually from Minneapolis, St. Paul area, which Creative Memories, of course, headquarters is up in that area. And so you can learn a little bit more about that in this video. Talks a little bit about Kate and all the things that she has done with her company and how she impacted and collaborated with Creative Memories. You can buy all the components individually, or as I mentioned, you have that bundle that you can purchase as well. So lots of fun things. There are 3 new album covers with the Blue Agate and the Green Apple and that foil embellishment. And then there's just a champagne solid and 2 other fun patterns, the Brilliant Suns in Jazzberry and Caribbean. So you have a lot of choices for using the scrap journal with your album covers and the collection. And then if you look at scrap journal products on the Creative Memories website, you will also see that we have other pieces and parts that go with it. But I'm not done. There's even more. There are accessories, and I think these look awesome. I cannot wait to use these. So we have a new scrap journal templates. So it's a set of 6 that help you figure out the layout on your page. There is the stencil, which is this, and it gives you, look at that, it like clips onto the page, so you can use the bullet points, you can make little tags and arrows, fun things, you can trace stuff, you can cut stuff out and assemble, or just draw right on your page, or even ink and stamp right on your page. You have the clips to hold things in place, and also the new elastic pen pouch, which just wraps right around the whole bundle, keeps your pens and your scissors and everything handy, so that as you're doing stuff and working in your scrap journal, you can pull out what you need and go to work. So Madeline talks about the accessories. Again, I think these are going to be awesome. I can't wait to put something together and play with this. And then you can see all the templates here. And then Debbie Pettit is the advisor that worked with Creative Memories to bring these templates to life. Apparently she does a lot with scrap journaling, and so she walks through using them and shows some samples from her scrap journal, and this is awesome. I definitely recommend you watch this one as well. So that's kind of the whole scrap journal thing, which I'm excited. I can't wait to get my hands on it and see what we can come up with on types of books that we can make that are a little bit different from our traditional scrapbooking, but still use the creativity and the fun tools you can incorporate, as Debbie will show you. You can incorporate the border punches and the BMCs and other stickers and designer paper, and yeah, I'm excited. So what else is coming? Secret box number 2 will launch on Monday. So it is a mystery theme. You've got a new border and frame punch. The guidebooks are back. And then remember that you get 10% off the total value when you purchase prior to the reveal at the May virtual crop. And then one more thing, we've got Simple Page Kit number 5. It will be available individually. Again, you can still purchase the full bundle for Q2 with 4, 5, and 6 in it. But if you're just purchasing just the kits individually, number 5 is now out. So that's a ton of stuff. Super exciting for the scrap journal collection. My head is just spinning with ideas and ways we can incorporate this and get this into some kind of project that we can do together. So stay tuned as I figure that out. I will have links to everything on my ScrapNFun page with the YouTube video. And so have fun checking it out. And again, happy World Amateur Radio Day, along with all those others I mentioned. Hope you have a wonderful weekend, and start making your wish list and think through, what could I put in a scrap journal? Anyway, have a great day. Thanks so much. Well, thanks for joining ScrapNFun with Beth, but thank you.